This section provides information about the AWS Certified Security Specialty certification. While this course will introduce you to many aspects of security in AWS, it will not fully prepare you for the certification exam. Review the AWS Certified Security Specialty Exam Guide for additional information regarding the certification. You can also find additional exam preparation resources in the Bridging to Certification module of this course. AWS recommends that you have at least 5 years of IT security experience in designing and implementing security solutions prior to attempting the AWS Certified Security Specialty exam. You should also have 2 or more years of hands-on experience in securing workloads. A video is available to describe the fictional scenario that the modules in this course are built around. The scenario provides a way to explore topics of cloud computing security in the context of relatable business needs. This scenario is intended to provide an example of real-world applicability of the technical concepts that you will learn in the course. You can find this video within this module section of the course materials. You'll now complete the AWS documentation scavenger hunt. The purpose of this brief activity is to acclimate you to locating information in the AWS documentation, which will support your learning experience throughout the course. Use the AWS documentation website at docs.aws.amazon.com to answer the following questions. Feel free to pause the video after each question and challenge yourself to discover the answer on your own. First, where can you find a link to the AWS CloudTrail user guide? Pause the video now if you want to find the answer yourself. From the main documentation page, go to the Management and Governance section and choose the AWS CloudTrail link. The AWS CloudTrail documentation page has a link to the user guide. Second, where would you find information about managing accounts in the AWS Security Hub user guide? From the main documentation page, go to the Security, Identity, and Compliance section and choose the AWS Security Hub link. Choose the AWS Security Hub User Guide link. In the navigation pane for the user guide, choose Managing Accounts. Next, which section of the website has quick start guides for security, identity, and compliance? To find these quick start guides, go to the General Resources section of the main documentation page and choose the Quick Starts link. In the filters, under Content Type, select AWS Quick Starts. Then, under Technology Category, select Security and Compliance. Quick Start guides for security, identity, and compliance are listed. Where can you find links to learn how active AWS customers are using AWS within their organizations? On the main documentation page, go to the General Resources section and choose the Case Studies link. On the Customer Success Stories page, scroll down to the Cards section. Here, you can apply filters to find case studies based on location, industry, use case, and other characteristics. Finally, how might you navigate to the technical guide titled AWS Security Incident Response Guide? There are multiple ways to find this guide. One option is to go to the General Resources section on the main documentation page and choose the AWS White Papers link. On the AWS White Papers and Guides page, in the filters, under Content Types, select Technical Guide. Under Technology Categories, select Security, Identity, and Compliance. The AWS Security Incident Response Guide is one of the listed resources. That brings us to the end of this section and the end of this module. Thanks for watching.